And now it's time for Joe Cartoon's quote of the day.
Hey, what's up? What's up? Cannibal! Dude, Afghani swimming hole. Johnny freaking Weissmuller! Oh, my freaking head. I'm so wasted. Da-da, 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 da-da. Doodly-doo! Knock it out, man. You're freaking me out. Hey, yo, man. What's up? Hot tub. Whoa. Levitation. Sweet. So, which version of Willy Wonka did you like better, man? Johnny Depp or Gene Wilder? The political leans of Johnny Depp do not necessarily reflect those of Superfly, so I'd go with Gene Wilder, man. But I like that Gilbert Grape. Why do you ask? No reason. Dude, smoke much? Dude, that's messed up.
Hey, all you Joe Cartoon fanatics, can't seem to get enough of your Toon fix? Netflix.com has thousands of animation DVDs, comedy DVDs, independent releases, TV shows, and more. And now, visit Netflix.com/Joe Cartoon for a free 2-week trial. Netflix has over 100,000 titles to choose from, and plans start from $4.99 a month. You keep each movie as long as you want, and there are no late fees. Ever. You can cancel anytime, plus, as a bonus, you get access to watch movies over the internet for no extra charge. To sign up, get over to Netflix.com/Joe Cartoon.